Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev Shop. We got a lot going on here. Been a little busy for this time of year. It's really good. Here's the one I was talking about earlier, going to North Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. I think Daniel's getting ready to put the next coat of sealer on it. And this one here is going to Chalfont, PA. We just had the granite put on it. And as soon as all the silicone's dry and all that, we're going to put some rope underneath it, rope around the poles. And then if you saw in that video, that 55-second video I made last night, this was all full of white glue. So this is going to have a sign on it. And then we're going to do a two-part epoxy on it, like this one here, which is going to Hatboro Pa. This one's completely done, ready to be installed. I think we're doing it December 3rd. And this is the one that had that crate lid that we turned into the front of the bar. This crate lid, the entire crate came from Japan, shipped to the United States military back in 1967. And they saved the lid to it, and we incorporated it into the bar. And then once we get out there, obviously the footrest will go on. And then it'll have a roof up top. And because of the design, we already installed one pole in the yard about a week ago or so. So this is the one going to Hatboro. And these are all the pictures in it. So there's quite a few coats of pour-on epoxy on here. And if you're wondering what brand I use, when I do the outdoor epoxy, I use West Systems. You can get that. I get it from West Marine, or there's another place in I think it's in Rhode Island. I get it from a couple different places, but it's a real good outdoor epoxy product. So all right, so Daniel's up there painting that Myrtle Beach project, and we're going to be out of here shortly. It's a little after 2. We're going to be out of here shortly. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And we're going to come back in here Monday and finish up all the little details on both bars. The roping on that. And when we get this out there, we have another piece of granite that's going right there, right on top there, and the refrigerator goes underneath. And this is a very, very early design. I built this last week, but it's exactly the same as the one I built for them 23 years ago. And they wanted to reuse the granite, so I had to build it exactly the same. So it's an old design, 23 years old. These are my new designs. You guys have been following me. Big difference between that one and the way I build them now. But all right, well, I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. So from the Tiki Kev crew of Tiki Kev and Daniel, Tiki Kev out.